Andy Riaz told me it was time for another ID, and damn it, he was right.
Your team full of has-been, no hope like a Knicks fan. Snowy and I ain't just mad cause I been him. Young king from the east side, feel good on the west end. Don't run up on my G-Ride, when my dudes lose go. Best friend. Great later, fuck less than. Count money in blessings. Niggas know I'm the best man, no question. Pull down to the socks, I'm equestrian. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace sign. Can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. No, till I don't wanna own it. I just wanna get my lease on. On the road to the riches, disobeying street sign. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace sign. Can't stop.
Happy Sunday Fun Day, everybody. It's your guy Hitch, and before we dive into my latest Nike by You design, when you're done watching this video and you realize like, yo, I really did like that video, make sure you hold me down and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell so you're notified when I have new videos coming out, or you can just go ahead and do that right now. And if you follow me on IG, you would have known this video was coming because I previewed these kicks on my story, so go ahead and follow my IG as well. The most comfortable sneaker I've ever worn in my life, hands down, is the Adidas Ultra Boost. And the Epic React 2s are not the most comfortable, but they're damn sure close. And it kind of makes sense because the build is very similar to the Ultra Boost. Majority of the sneaker is going to be your Flyknit. You then have your flat laces, a plastic heel clip, a bunch of React for your cushioning as a midsole, and then you have a rubber outsole. So it kind of makes sense. That minimalistic design is why I do believe Nike got these done so fast. I ordered them on July 1st. They were shipped out on the 9th and then delivered on the 12th. So 8 days to get a custom sneaker done is just crazy to me, so shout out to Nike for doing that. You know those pretty sunset pictures? You probably took one, threw it on your IG before. Sunset pictures are pretty cool to me. I like them a lot. And as I'm on the website, that's what came to mind when I saw the options. The Flyknit upper is super comfortable and super stretchy. So even though it has a booty construction, the Flyknit expands a lot, so it allows for the shoe to be put on very easily. And then when you finally have your foot inside the shoe, it holds your foot perfectly, but it is snug. So if you have a wide foot, you are possibly gonna have to go up a half size like I had to. My true to size is 8.5. I went to a size 9 in these. And with this fading option on Nike by You, it was perfect for the theme of having a sunset. So I figured choose the blue void. That can serve as my sky. When you take the flat laces, I went with a photo blue to try to blend the laces in with the Flyknit. And then with that same theme, the plastic clip serves as the sun. So I chose the orange peel color. And what I do love about the plastic clip are the details. So you have your Nike and your React logos and text, which I think those details are just great additives to the sneaker. So a nice sunset picture always has like pink, red, purple colors in it. So I tried to do the same thing and mimic that with the swoosh. On the swoosh, I went with an Ember Glow color option and then the swoosh border. So that's wrapping around the swoosh. That's gonna be an atomic violet. So I think it does a good job trying to mimic that image. And then looking in the sun's not supposed to be good for your eyes, right? So what I did with the Ember Glow swoosh was I added the reflective option to it. I've always been a big fan of 3M. So when you hit the swoosh with the right light, it gives a shine back, and I think that just adds a nice detail to it. To add some darkness to the sunset theme, I added the all black midsole, which is all of your React, and then on the bottom of that you have 2 slabs of rubber, and that's going to be in the Ember Glow also. To finish off the design on the heel loop, it had the text option for Nike by You, and I spelled out sunset, and I used the atomic violet color to give it a nice pop. Now this has nothing to do with the Nike by You features, but just standard with the inside of the sneaker. And on the inside, you're gonna have your insoles. The insoles are black. The left insole is going to say Nike React in a big font. And then your right foot is going to have a very large Nike swoosh logo. After wearing these for almost all day yesterday, I'm very impressed. Not at one point in the day did I want to take my shoes off. If you want a runner or just a comfortable shoe, I definitely recommend these. Nike has just released some new colorways that I really do like, and I can definitely see myself getting another pair. Being that this is a Nike by You design that I created, I'm not going to rate the colorway. I will rate the shoe. The Epic React 2s, I'm going to give them a 3.5. This is probably the second most comfortable shoe I've ever worn. It looks good, it feels good. What I'm more concerned about and why I cannot give it a 4 rating is because of this React cushioning. As good as this cushioning is, I'm very concerned about the durability. This cushioning is directly coming in contact with concrete, the ground, every time you walk on it. And if you look at it, you can actually see the wear and tear on this sneaker that I've only worn it for 2 days. So that is a concern of mine. The good news is, even with these retailing at $150, which I do believe they're worth it, you can find Epic React 2s on sale at a variety of different retailers. So the options are available if you want a pair, but you want to also save some money. If you want to create your own pair on Nike by You, I'll leave a link down below as well. They're $170 to do that. But hit the comments. Let me know what you think about this design that I came up with. If you do like it, I have gone ahead and created a playlist with all my Nike by You, my IDs, my custom sneakers, so you guys can see the video. I'll leave a link down below for that as well. And if you have any interest in me actually doing some customized kicks for you, just shoot me an email and we can chop it up. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.
These niggas is haters. They haters, they haters, they haters. Like they fuck with the Vader. Showing no love, doing no favor. Ask for a verse, giving no waiver. Price went up, head crack. All black with the trench coat, blade that. Take straight for a retweet, say that. We struggle, they eat this payback. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace out. I don't wanna